Encountering the video scheduler internal error on Windows 11? I'll share a fix to resolve this issue. Stay tuned for a quick solution to keep your system running smoothly. Press the Windows key plus X and choose Windows PowerShell. Admin. Now type the following, then hit Enter. SFC Scan. Wait for the scanning process to complete, and then restart your computer to repair all corrupted files. Press the Windows key plus R to launch the Run window. In the Run windows, type devmgmt.msc and click OK. Locate your graphics card, right-click it, and choose Update Driver. Select Search automatically for drivers and wait for the process to finish. Press the Windows key plus I to open the Settings app. Now go to the Apps section. Select the app you want to remove and click on Uninstall. Follow the instructions on the screen to complete the process. Thanks for watching. If it helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe.